Have you ever seen a T-Rex fishing? Hi, I'm Mateo with WTI, and today I want to tell you about this awesome inflatable T-Rex costume by Esacpe. One of the things I liked most is how easy it is to set up. It took me less than 5 minutes to put it on and fully inflate. When you're done using it, it folds up very easy, it's very lightweight. The material feels lightweight while still being surprisingly durable and well made. I recently used it to surprise some friends I hadn't seen in a while, and it was an instant hit. As soon as they saw the costume, everyone started laughing, taking pictures, and having a great time. It was so much fun trying to do normal things while having such short arms. So whether you're heading to a party, a family gathering, or just looking to make people laugh and smile, this costume is guaranteed to get attention and create memorable moments. It's fun, easy to use, and definitely something people will be talking about for a long time. And that is my point of view.